Many people buy a good microphone and audio interface but still record bad audio in camera. Today I will show you step by step how to correctly connect an audio interface to a camera and get clean professional YouTube audio. Step 1. What you need. Microphone. I am taking here dynamic XLR microphone. Audio interface. Here I am taking audio array audio interface. And of course camera. I am using one mirrorless camera. Cable. This is XLR cable to connect microphone to interface. And 3.5 mm TRS cable. This is to connect interface from interface to camera. And of course you need to have a monitoring purpose one headphone. Step 2. Connect microphone to audio interface. Plug XLR cable into microphone. Other end into mic input of audio interface. Now turn on 48V phantom power if you are using condenser microphone, otherwise not required. I am using dynamic microphone, so I am not going to use 48V phantom power in audio interface. Audio interface is the brain of our audio system. Step 3. Set gain properly. This is very important. Speak normally, increase gain slowly and adjust. And interface meter should peak around minus 12 dB to minus 6 dB. And we need to avoid red light. Too much gain is distortion and too little gain is noisy audio. Step 4. Connect audio interface to camera. There are two common methods. The first one is headphone output. I'm using here headphone output. So 3.5 mm TRS cable. Using this cable, connect interface headphone out and camera mic input. On camera, we need to set audio input level manually 1 to 3. And on interface, control volume using headphone knob. So that's also important. And method 2. This is line output. Some interfaces have line out. Connect line out to camera mic in. Use a proper cable. Step 5. Camera audio testing. So inside camera menu, what we need to do? We need to set the audio gain control. And that also we need to set manually. Camera should not think about our audio, but we should manually manage that. And monitor audio with headphones. While doing testing or while doing test recording, we have to monitor audio with our headphones. Whether peak loudly or softly and peaking, and that is how we need to, whether it is clipping or not. So these things we have to observe using our headphones. Now all the connections are done. Microphone, audio interface and camera are properly connected. But before starting the main recording, we must do one important step, that is audio testing. If we skip this step and record the full video and audio and later find out audio problems, we cannot fix it easily. Many beginners make one mistake. They connect everything and press record button immediately. But every microphone, every interface and every camera works at different audio levels. So testing the audio is very important. Now listening to the voice carefully in the headphones. Ask yourself, is there any noise? Is there any distortion? Is the voice clear and natural? If you hear any problem, this is the right time to fix it. Now I am speaking in normal voice. This is a normal speaking voice test for YouTube recording. Look at the camera audio meter. It should stay in green or yellow. It should not touch red color. This level is perfect for recording. Now I will speak a little louder. This is a loud test. Even when I speak aloud, the audio should not distort. The meter should not stay in red. Now I am speaking very softly. This is a soft voice test. Your voice should still be audible and clear. If the voice is too low, increase the gain slightly on the audio interface. If you move while recording, the audio should still sound balanced. Now stop the recording and play the test clip in the camera. Now I'm speaking very close to the microphone. Now I'm speaking little far from the microphone. If you move while recording here and there, still the sound should balanced. Now one more important thing is check the lip movement, check the lip syncing. Your voice and lips should match properly. If your audio and video are synced, then your setup is correct. Now the audio is clear and clean. Only after this testing start your main video. For me this is main video. Many people buy good microphone and interface but still they record bad audio. Remember while recording, if you are using a dynamic microphone, dynamic XLR microphone, do not on your 48V phantom power. Okay, if you are using a condenser microphone, then 48V should on in your audio interface. Now the audio is clean, clear, distortion free, properly recorded, properly synced. 5 minutes of testing can save hours of re-recording. For more simple YouTube audio tips, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.